Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Computer Class 2. Today, in this session, I am going to teach you about keyboard special keys. Dear children, do you ever wonder how information gets in your computer and how comes out in a form you can use? So, it is only possible with the help of devices, and the devices are input and output key buttons. Okay, input and output devices. Dear children, as you all are familiar with the input devices, and you know well that the input devices are used to enter data into the computer, and the output devices are used to display and give the final output. So, now you are asked to give the examples of input device and output device. Input device, you can say that the input devices are keyboard, mouse, microphone, etc. And output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, headphones, and these all are about all these we have studied in details in the Zoom classes, and for the details you can also refer to the sessions that I have posted on YouTube, and it is also given in your book, that is on chapter 3. Now the question is, how a computer works. The computer communicates with the user by an input device. From an output device, the CPU processes it, and its results are on the output device. Output formats are usually printed paper, sound, video, and on-screen documents. Dear children, the picture displayed here is of a QWERTY keyboard that we usually use in our home and at school computer lab. So, if you are told to label it, how you will label it? You can label it like this, as I have displayed on the screen. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All these are numeric keys. Okay. Now, alphabet keys, they are 26 in number, and you can type letters, words and sentences with the help of these keys. Okay. They are not given in alphabetical order, but you can have typing skills, you can practice it and type. Okay, now the number keys that you have already studied, 0 to 9. The number keys are also present on the right side of the keyboard, and they are called numeric keypad. Okay, the number keys are total 10 in number, and they are present just above the keyboard and are placed in order. You can type age, roll number, house number by using the number keys. Now, next one, you can see space bar, which is the longest key on the keyboard, and it is used to give space between the text. Caps lock key. On the right hand side, you can see the caps lock key, which is used to type letters in capital letter. Okay. Now, enter key. There are 2 enter keys on your keyboard. Enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line of the monitor. Okay. Whenever you are typing, you can press this enter key to go to the next line. Now arrow keys. There are 4 types of arrow keys. 4 arrow keys you can see on the screen as well as on your keyboard also. Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow. One backspace key is also there, and that erases the letter to the left side. And the delete key, there are 2 delete buttons, delete keys, and the delete key erases the letters to the right side of the cursor. You can see the delete key which is marked on the screen, which is labeled on the screen below insert button. Okay. Now punctuation key and combination keys are also there. Combination key, shift key and alt, control, all these keys are called combination keys. Dear children, always remember that with the help by pressing control and home, you can move the cursor to the top of the document. With the help of control plus N, you can move the cursor to the end of the document. Okay, and if you press control, alt and delete all together, you will be able to shut down a computer. Alt plus F4, you can close the program. Okay, now you can mark the keys. You can see the key and find out which keys are given over here. The first one is enter key, second one space bar, now backspace key, then caps key, caps lock key and arrow key. Last one is arrow key. Dear children, this one is numlock key, which is also which you can find on the right side of your keyboard. Now, suppose your computer keyboard can talk. Let's imagine that your computer key, this is my computer keyboard and it can talk. So, the keyboard wants to ask you some questions, okay? Can you reply? Just try to give the answers. I allow you to write letters of the alphabet. Which key am I? I am alphabet key. I allow you to move the cursor to the top of the page. Which key am I? I am home key. I allow you to delete the letter to the left of the cursor. This is backspace key. I allow you to delete the letter to the right of the cursor. This is delete key. If you press me, you can type capital letters. This is caps lock key. You use me to type numbers. This is number key. I allow you to create blank spaces between 2 words or 2 numbers. Of course, it is space bar key. And I allow you to move the cursor up, down, left or right. And this is arrow key. Dear children, I have displayed the answer for you. Write down these questions in your copy and learn it properly so that you can understand the chapter keyboard well. Stay safe, stay fit. See you again. Till then, thank you.